In this quick video, I'm gonna show you how to share screen on Teams meeting. So to share your screen, tap on share from the top right corner and it will give you all of these options. If you want to include your sound in your screen, then for that toggle this option on, and after that you can choose the presenter mode you want to share your screen with. So I'm just gonna go with this one, which is content only. If you want to add any background, then for that click on add background and choose the background you want to go for. Now if you want to share your whole screen, then for that select the first option, but in case you just want to share a specific window, then for that click on window from here and choose the window you want to share. But I want to share my whole screen, that's why I'm just gonna select the screen option here, and now it will create a red border around your screen. And if you want to customize any of the sharing options, then go to the top of your screen and you'll see different types of menus. So in case you want to enable or disable your camera, then you can click on the first option. If you want to mute or unmute your mic, then there is this mic option as well. So different types of options are here. And now if you do anything on your screen, that will be shared on your Teams meeting. And in case you want to stop your sharing, then go to the top side of your screen and then just click on stop sharing and your screen sharing will be stopped. Now if it was a big help, can you like this video and subscribe my channel. For now, thanks for watching. Bye bye.